What's up, guys? This is Tenikca from Hits with the Misses, and today I am super stoked because I have for you our, can you see that? Yes, Rainbow Resource Haul. I'm very excited to open this box with you. Are you ready? Let's do it. Quick pause before we jump right into this box. If you could just jump right down and hit that like and subscribe button so we can be like YouTube besties and hang out on the regular, that'd be great. Okay, so you all saw the Amazon and Lakeshore haul, and now Rainbow Resource. And after this, your girl is done. But as I said in that video for Lakeshore and Amazon, we're just at a different stage, and that is okay. That is fine. And you know, we have needs, and so I searched all of the internets to find the best cost for said needs, and here we are. This is okay. Here we go. All right. I'm taking this like straight out of the box. So I have these roll a story dice cards. And so I don't think I've explained this to you. I think I maybe shared it over on Instagram. And if we aren't Instagram friends, like, let's do it. Link below. Let's hang out. But James is kind of, the way his brain works, it is very, right now, realistic. So, like, coming up with things and story writing, unless it actually happened, is a little difficult for him. So we got these to help us out, and I'm very, very, very excited about these. And so they're dice, and each dice has a different thing: people, actions, objects, food, feelings, weather, transport, places, sports, and animals. And I decided to get these because I guess last year I had these space story cards, and that just really helped him like put different things together. He just needed those little cues from the cards. Speaking of kids, they're downstairs living their whole best life. So if you hear them in the background, welcome to my home. All right. Usborne, illustrated grammar and punctuation. So you guys, I hope you already saw the language arts video. If not, I'll link it somewhere around here. And we switched grammar for this upcoming year. And so we are finishing up our current one to prepare us to go in. But I like having some self-helps and a good resource book. I just feel like never hurt anyone, you know? So, and this of course can grow with us, and Jude can use it and all that jazz. So that we have more primary journals. So you see these, what we're gonna do, which I feel like we're gonna start doing, is I'm gonna just start having James dictate first. Like, he'll say it, I'll write it all down, and he can illustrate it. We had, gosh, it was like these like writing prompts. Like, if I had a robot, his name would be, he would be able to do, and it was just, again, like difficult for him to come up with that and then put it together. So we're gonna try it a different way and see how that works. I'm excited about it though, if you can't tell. We have Geography Skill Sharpeners Grade 2. I'm very excited about this. So word roots beginning, prefixes, suffixes, and roots, learning the building blocks of better spelling and vocabulary. This says grades 3 through 4. So we probably won't get like into the nitty gritty of this until after we're done with AAR 3. Sorry, I had to think about it. But just open it up. Lesson 11, roots and roots and suffixes. So it's giving you root words here, suffixes here. It'd be helpful if I could talk. But it is, how can I describe it? It is meaty, but not over the top and like too much. And then later on, you can see where you have like the word and then you have to match it to the definition. And what you're doing is you're using the root and suffixes or prefix meanings that you learned before to get the definition. So I'm excited about this. And this does come in higher levels for those interested. But we got word, roots, beginning. And this is in, again, no particular order. I'm literally like yanking it out of the box. Explode the Code 1 for Jude. We love Explode the Code. For those of you all who aren't familiar with this, this is phonics. So here we're working with the short A. Reading from the picture, I love it. And this is, well, they have like a before the code or get set for the code or something like that we've already done. And I think this goes to 8. I think. Don't quote me on that. But 1 isn't the highest level. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now these I'm also excited about. So these are junior composition books. Wide ruled, not college. And these we're just going to use for like literally whatever we want. So, making grocery lists, making bucket lists, making to-do lists, like whatever we want to practice writing, spelling, like all types of things. And these are hard to come by, especially at this price. So, I stacked up and got 4. I also got mini flashcards. Funny story. So I didn't know that these were a thing. And so I would be like cutting flashcards. Not anymore. And timelines of world history. We are starting that this year. And again, I just feel like a good resource book never hurt anyone. So, oh my gosh. Like, if y'all are new here, I'm kind of addicted to books. And, like, the smell of a new book. Because we buy a lot of books used. Which, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, we do it. It's great. Love it. But they don't have that new book smell. And this one does. So, it is just that. It is a resource book, gracious, with the timelines through history. And last, fraction dice. So these are going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow with us. But right now, we're just going to use them to see if he can recognize them and then use other objects to make said fraction. So if you have a 6 sticks, goodness, what would be 1/2? What would be 1/3? Things like that. That's how we'll be using these dice for now. Okay. I have no shame in telling you I spent $100 for all of that with Rainbow Resource as of when I ordered. Literally every other time I've ordered before, if you spend $50 or more, you get free shipping. So, again, to recap, we're just going to bring this on back. Fraction dice. Timelines of World History by Usborne Books. Explode the Code 1. This is phonics. Word Roots Beginning. And this is grades 3 through 4. Geography Skill Sharpeners by Evan Moore, grade 2. For primary journal composition notebooks. And by that, we have the handwriting lined paper and space to illustrate up top. We have 4 of the wide ruled junior composition books. 2 mini flashcards, 1 colored, 1 white. Roll a story dice. And a sworn illustrated grammar and punctuation. So I can put a list of all these things below if you would like them. Comment and let me know. But if not, you can search those things and find them at Rainbow Resource. Like, none of the things I got were like low in stock or out of stock when I purchased them. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and you'll be back soon for more. Bye.